Ever wonder why some businesses thrive while others struggle to fix the same problems over and over again? What if I told you there's a method that guarantees improvement every single time? Meet DMAIC. It's not just a process, it's a game changer, a proven, structured roadmap that transforms problems into solutions, chaos into control, and inefficiencies into profits. DMAIC is a powerful tool for improving any process. It stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. It is a widely used methodology in PDCA tools, like lean manufacturing and Six Sigma. DMAIC is a data-driven, structured approach to problem solving. It helps organizations identify and eliminate the root causes of defects or problems. This leads to improved efficiency, reduced costs, and increased customer satisfaction. By following the DMAIC framework, teams can systematically tackle issues and achieve breakthrough results. It all starts with defining the problem, not just the symptoms, but the real issue, because let's be honest, if you don't define it right, you'll never fix it right. The define phase focuses on clearly understanding the problem. This involves defining the project scope, goals, and customer needs. Next, we measure. Numbers don't lie. We gather the data, cut through the noise, and expose the real cause of inefficiencies. No guessing, no assumptions, just facts. The measure phase involves collecting data to quantify the problem and establish a baseline. This data helps analyze the process and identify areas for improvement. The analyze phase involves examining the collected data to determine the root causes of the problem. Now here's where it gets exciting. We analyze, we dive deep, break it apart, and find the root cause. The one thing holding you back. It's like detective work. But for business, various analytical tools can help identify the factors that significantly impact the process. Then comes the magic, improvement. The improve phase focuses on developing and implementing solutions to address the root cause. We test, tweak, and transform. Small changes, maybe. Big impact, absolutely. This is where real results begin to take shape. This may involve process redesign, automation, or training programs. Finally, we don't just fix it and forget it, we control it. The control phase involves establishing mechanisms to sustain the improvements. This includes creating control plans, monitoring systems, and providing ongoing training to ensure the process remains improved. These systems ensure the problem stays gone for good. Imagine a hospital aiming to reduce patient waiting time in the emergency room. They can use DMAIC to achieve this. The problem is defined as excessive patient waiting times in the ER, impacting patient satisfaction and hospital efficiency. Measure data is collected on waiting times at various points, the number of patients, and staff availability. Analyze. The data is analyzed to identify bottlenecks. It might reveal that triage processes or staff allocation during peak hours need improvement. Improved solutions are implemented, such as streamlining triage processes or adjusting staff schedules to align with patient arrival patterns. Control. A monitoring system is implemented to track waiting times, and staff receive ongoing training on optimized procedures. DMAIC is highly beneficial for problem solving. First, it provides a structured, disciplined approach. DMAIC ensures a systematic process for tackling problems, minimizing guesswork, and maximizing resource utilization. Second, it emphasizes data-driven decision-making. By relying on data analysis, DMAIC helps identify the most impactful areas for improvement, leading to effective solutions. Third, this methodology encourages teamwork and collaboration. For each step, some tips can maximize its effectiveness. Clearly define the problem and project scope during the define phase. In the measure phase, ensure data accuracy and relevance. Utilize appropriate analytical tools during analyze to identify the root causes. Develop practical, implementable solutions in the improve phase. Finally, establish clear monitoring metrics and provide ongoing support during the control phase. By embracing DMAIC, organizations can establish a culture of continuous improvement, optimize their processes, and achieve sustainable success. So the next time you face a problem, don't just react. Think smarter, think DMAIC. Because solving problems once beats fixing them over and over again. Thank you for joining us. If you like this video, please remember to like and hit the subscribe button. Until next time,